There's a piece of legislation still on the statute books dating from 1907, and it's the Probation of Offenders Act 1907. And you mightn't think it's of any significance nowadays, but it's very, very significant. Basically, it means that if you are charged with criminal offence and the judge or the court is satisfied that the facts of the case are proven, but having regard for your circumstances, your age, the nature of the offence, or any other extenuating circumstances, the judge can actually give you the benefit of the Probation Act, Section 1, Subsection 1, which allows the court to make an order either dismissing the information or charge or binding you to be of good behaviour before proceeding to conviction. So the significant thing of this is that even though a court may find that the charge against you is essentially proved, the court may decide not to mark a conviction against you, but to give you the benefit of Section 1, Subsection 1 of the Probation of Offenders Act 1907. And this means that you won't have a conviction on your record. Now, that's very, very important from the point of view of travelling to foreign countries, travelling to certain jurisdictions, for example, the United States or Australia or indeed Canada. All of these countries have fairly strict laws in relation to letting people in who have criminal convictions. The other big factor, though, is when it comes to employment. An awful lot of employment applications will involve filling out forms which will be asking you questions as to whether you have any criminal convictions or not. Now, it may well be the case that you might run into some difficulty if you get the benefit of the Probation of Offenders Act 1907, because on the Garda vetting form which comes back for some occupations, it may well make reference to the fact that you have availed of or got the benefit of the Probation of Offenders Act 1907, but nevertheless you don't have a conviction, and that is important. And it's a crucial difference between somebody making a contribution to the court poor box and getting the probation, the benefit of the Probation of Offenders Act 1907, or having a conviction marked against them and paying a fine. So you could, on the one hand, put €300 into the court poor box for a particular charge and not have a conviction, and on the other hand, you could have you could be fined €300 and have a conviction. There's a critical difference, and it's something that you need to be aware of, particularly, to say, from the point of view of employment and travelling to foreign countries. Hope you find this useful. If you do, give it the old thumbs up down below, and you might be interested in subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you.